Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will cover in this video nested loop in Java. So let's start now. So in the nested loop, first we understand the single loop, then we understand the nested loop. In the nested loop, we see that in the outer loop have an inner loop, and also in we also write inside the inner loop, also inside the inner loop means in the outer loop have a loop or multiple loops, so that is the nested loop. Like this, in the outer loop have inner loop, or this is called the nested loop. And the outer loop say that it's run from rows, and the inner loop iterate from the columns. So basically when we learn arrays, to these arrays where the nested loop are used and where we understand more. So let's start now. In the nested loop, first the outer loop initialize with I equal 1 and iterate I less than equal 3. So we know that the loop runs three times or iterate three times. And in the inner loop, initialize with 1 and iterate less than equal 3. Also we know that it's also run three times. But according to that, the outer loop run three times, but the inner loop run nine times. How? So we see that. So in that I equal 1, we see that I initialize with 1, and in the inner loop j initialize with 1. Okay, and then print this statement means I and j 1 1. Okay, then we in here the confusion point is, all know that the I plus plus not. First the inner loop iterate all the passes, iterate and complete the passes, then the outer loop updated. So first the inner loop update, so j equal 1 and updated, then j I equal 1, I same but j is updated equal 2, and check the condition j less than equal 3, yes it's true, so I and j print. Then again update j value not the I value, updated 3 and check the condition, yes it's true, so 1 and 3, and again I equal 1 and j equal 4 and check the condition, so it give false. So here the loop inner loop break and the print. This statement means the one line, we say one line print, and then the I plus plus, then I equal to n in enter in the inner loop. So the inner loop initialize with j equal 1, so we know that j equal 1 not the j equal 4. Here also confusion point, so we remember that when the outer in we enter in the inner loop, it's started from initialize from 1, means when the outer loop updated and enter in the inner loop, so it's initialized with which value which started, not the updated value. So that is the important point, and we print the 2 and 1. Then I equal 2 and updated the j value, j equal 2 and printed 2 2. Then I equal 2 and j equal 3 and check the condition, so it's correct condition and give true, so 2 and 3, and updated I equal 2 and j equal 4, so it give the false, so it's not run and print a single line. Again this the last we updated the I, so I equal 3, and here the j initialized with 1 and started from 1, and we print 3 and 1, and again we updated the j value, so j equal 2 and check the condition, it's give true, so we printed 3 2, and I equal 3 and j equal 3 and check the condition, it's give true, so 3 3, and again I equal 3 and j equal 4, so it give false, so it's break the loop. And when I equal, we write that here sorry, here we write that I equal 4 because we updated, so I after a I equal 4 we check the condition, so it's give false, so the outer loop also give false, so it's break the loop. If the outer loop give false, though the inner loop not iterate, so that is also important point. So the output is this, so the outer loop iterate three times but the inner loop iterate nine times, and that is the output. So we that is the important points. So let's start to see in the VS Code. In the VS Code, I already write and we only run the code Java C loop dot Java and check what is the output. So basically, first second, C Java loop dot Java. So the output is 11 12 13 21 22 23 So similar where we see that here also we see 11 12 13 21 22 23 So basically this is the nested loop, and also we apply that how many times the star will be. So we print only star. So what is the output? We see that. So start also print 9 times. So basically this is the start loop. So basically this is our the nested loop. Thank you everyone. I hope you all understand the nested loop in Java, and if you want I make a new video in new topic, so please comment on the below. Thank you.